colonization model. Please ignore this water in the background. This is the most ideal setting, but so we're on the moon right now, and get away. So they would, first of all, there is frozen water in some of the lunar poles, so we're just gonna pretend that our colonization is right by the lunar pole, so that is why we have some access to water. And they would either build the colony or the houses in an enclosed area like this or underground. I decided to build it kind of outside, and I used glass, which I don't think they would use glass, but I used it so you could kind of see in better and get a better perspective of what it looked like. So it says United States of America Moon Colony Trial 1. And the reason they want to have it in a closed environment like this or underground is because you need to have stable conditions, because some of the like, you can't just set up a house, because this would obviously have some type of oxygen generator, but because if you just build a house, you're gonna have just extreme temperatures, varying temperatures, because of solar flares, and the crops, if you're growing crops, they would most likely die and wither. So I built two houses. These obviously aren't what houses would look like on the moon, but I just kind of set them up quick because I wanted to make them look nice, and they would, the moon houses would just be little like pop-up houses, nothing like super fancy or anything, but I just kind of went with the basic house design with the roof and stuff, because you know, we haven't set up a moon colony yet, so we don't really know what they're gonna look like. As lighting, I used this glowing rock, glowstone as it's called, because on the moon, like if I was to go outside our base and put like a torch or a candle or anything, it would not, the light would not be able to shine because of the no oxygen. Yeah. Okay, we're in. So I kind of use this glowing rock. So let's go inside one of the houses. So I just kind of set up a little, pretty much the basic needs, just a bed and a little table, and some stuff, and it's the exact same over in the other house. And again, I used a glowstone, and let's head down here. This gives us access to our little farms back here, because yes, you could send food to them from the earth, but that's not really practical, because like obviously you'd send food with them when they first go, but you wouldn't keep sending them food because of the money for the space launch and the gas and all that stuff. So they would need to find a renewable food resource. So crop growing is possible, but it needs to be under a controlled environment, like our little glass dome we have here. Lots of lighting, and they would have to bring some soil too from the earth and protect it from solar flares, so they'd have to use artificial sunlighting, so like these. So this would not be glass here, but I just kind of built it so you could see in. The other house is the same. I believe also they would have some animals too. They would probably send some animals to the moon first just to see if they could live, but here we just have some basic chickens, because most mammals are just like us. They need oxygen, so if we can function, then they can function too, and this is a great opportunity for a renewable food resource with eggs and the chicken meat. So that was just my little model of kind of what a space colonization would look like. Again, ignore all these guys and the giant mushrooms in the water. But yeah, this wasn't really ideal conditions. I didn't want to spend 5 hours destroying the water and everything around it. So that is my moon colonization. And to learn more, you can head to Google Docs and check out my little research paper on it that goes a little bit more in detail. This was kind of just a summary of what would happen if we did happen to colonize on the moon. So thanks for watching, and hope you liked it.